Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Well, today I'm going to speak about a very important subject regarding your children education. Well, if you're planning to move to Malaysia under the MM2H visa, this video is just suitable for you because every parent's looking for their children education, where they should admit their children, which kind of school would be suitable for their children. Well, this video will give you idea. Well, as you know, foreigners, there's an international school. There are so many international schools in Malaysia. But as you know, there is also public schools where the local Malaysian students go, Malaysian children to studies. Well, I personally recommend you, if you're a Muslim, if you're from a Muslim country, or if your children is a Muslim, if they're young, they just started school, going to standard 1, 2, or just starting school, you should admit them in the Malaysian public school. Malaysian public school also very highly recommended because the education quality, the system they maintain is very good. They also practices Islamic studies. They also teaches the students Quran, Salat, which is very nice from them. And so the level of education is also very good. So if you're a Muslim planning to admit your children, I would recommend you to admit them on Malaysian public school. Malaysian public school is very much within your reach, just a couple of hundreds ringgit. But if you admit your children on the Malaysian international school, which will cost you around more than 1,000 ringgit every month almost. International school charges, almost all the international school in Malaysia charges 17,000, 15,000 ringgit a year. Some school charges more than 30,000 ringgit a year. So if you're from a budget family, if you don't have sufficient fund to support your children, you must admit them to Malaysian public school. I would say the Malaysian public school is much suitable for you than international school if your children are Muslims. So you can think about it before you admitting your child to Malaysian school. If you're moving to Malaysia for a long time, if you're planning to spend your life in Malaysia, you must admit your children to Malaysian public school. They also teaches English. Your children can also learn English and also can study further in abroad or can work freely in Malaysia as well. That's all for you. Thank you for watching, and do contact me on the comment box if you're looking for a school. If you want to know more about admitting your children to Malaysian school, I would guide you thoroughly.